Here's a fun, creative gift idea that you can make in minutes. All you need is some paper, cardboard, and a few pictures. Grab a 36 by 42 centimeter sheet of paper. Mark 6 centimeter intervals across the paper, creating a grid. Flip it over and do the same. This helps keep everything aligned. Mark X on the boxes we're cutting out. Column 1, mark 3 boxes. Column 2, mark 2 boxes. Column 3, mark 1 box. Repeat on the other side and mark the top row's edges and middle box. Once cut, it should form a cute, pixelated heart. Use a ruler for sharp, clean cuts. Outline the heart shape onto a cardboard box and carve it out. Apply glue to the cardboard outline and stick the paper heart on top. You can add a string light around the edges for extra detail, but it's optional. A 10-meter string light wraps around twice for extra glow. Use burlap thread to create a hanger, then secure it with a small piece of cardboard. Print 5 by 5 centimeter photos on glossy A4 paper. Cut them out and arrange them neatly on the heart. Time to glue the pictures. Watch as this turns into a stunning photo collage. Let's take a moment to admire how great it looks. Erase any visible pencil lines for a clean finish. And there you have it. An affordable, fun, and meaningful DIY gift. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more DIYs. See you in the next one.